in pineapple pizza right here in front of all of you. And I would like to ask you, Mireia, to bring our pineapple pizza on the stage. They are trying to run away from this punishment.
It's a video.
Why will not happen? So please, guys, enjoy. No, it's not cut. Why not? It's not cut.
That's the idea.
You can do it. No.
Ragazzi.
So please, guys, take your telephone and record this fantastic moment, historical for European Italians. It's like religious breaking the bread.
Ma beh, tutto
Prego. Facciamo un po' in a little piece.
not so much because I'm on a diet.
Thank you so much, and be ready because new punishments will arrive. And also, I would invite all of you to keep an eye on the flags and mascots because who knows?
Thank you everyone, and you can enjoy the rest of the pizza on your seat.